Hi, my name is Harish Palani,
Hello, my name is Manav Rathod.
and for our Gold Points Extra Credit project, we decided to create a movable spaceship that, upon collision with body objects, causes the bodies to explode.
Let's take a look.
So as you can see, there's a spaceship that's controllable using the WASD buttons, and you can move it all across the universe. And as soon as it intersects with a body object, so in that instance, one of the planets or one of the suns, um,
Kevin.
or Kevin, as it's about to happen, the body explodes. So yeah, you can see we have two suns left and one planet left that is untouched. And
Yeah, so the way we approached creating this is we took our body class and we created a child of it called Body Extreme that extended all of its methods, but also incorporated a new method called Move that allowed the body that was to move its position based on um, arrow keys.
so essentially, this move function took in an input parameter, which was the key that was being pressed. And based on that key, it adjusted the X and Y positions of the body object. So W would move it up, S down, and so on. And we also created another class called NBody Extreme, which was supposed to be similar to the initial NBody class that was used in the original project, except it would be supportive of this new spaceship and its motion. And so for this NBody Extreme class, essentially what we did was we created a new spaceship object that was of type body extreme, so only the spaceship would be able to move. And then we incorporated the ability to determine collisions and explode upon impact.
There are several challenges we faced when trying to develop this extra version of the project. First, it was kind of difficult to figure out how to take in input from the keyboard regarding the arrow keys, and eventually we learned that the standard draw class doesn't support arrow keys, which is why we switched over to using W, A, S, and D.
Another challenge we faced was uh, determining when a collision event was occurring. So in order to do this, we essentially had to check the X and Y positions of both the spaceship as well as the body objects that were within the universe. And essentially, if both the X and Y positions were, the difference between the X and Y positions was within our tolerance, we'd count it as a collision and then cause the explosion to occur. However, when we first implemented this, we accidentally used an or operator instead of an and operator. So as a result of this, even if only the X or the Y were within the tolerance, an explosion would happen. And so that left us really confused because we kept seeing these explosions happen even when the spaceships were nowhere near the actual bodies. But once we finally realized this, it was a bit of a relief, and we were able to complete our project.
Another difficulty was determining how much to increment the spaceship when we press the arrow keys. Because we were kind of playing with magnitudes of 10, small changes were able to make large movements that sometimes either make the ship look like it's not moving at all or cause it to just fly off the screen. So playing around with the values and to pick the best ones to make the animation as smooth as possible took a good amount of time.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for watching.